simply irresistible tender pork chops and a creamy mushroom herb sauce. It's ready in under 20 minutes, so let's get started. Start off this recipe by seasoning both sides of pork chops with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. I want to welcome you all to my channel. I post quick videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on all of my unique recipes. Now these chops are going to get fried for 5 to 7 minutes per side depending on their thickness. To make it easier, if you have a thermometer, stick it in there, and once it reads 140 degrees Fahrenheit, you know these pork chops are ready. Remove them from the pan and finish up this incredibly easy and luxurious dinner by adding a cup of sliced mushrooms. You're gonna saute them a couple minutes till they're nice and soft, then push them off to the side and add 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Drizzle a tad bit more oil if the pan is too dry, and be careful that this garlic doesn't burn. Add 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of chicken broth, and to complete this sauce, look for really good quality Italian seasoning with all of those beautiful vibrant herbs and spices. And you guys know how quickly cream sauce thickens up while simmering, so add the pork chops right back into the pan. As the sauce cools, it thickens even more and turns so heavenly as it sits. Get your mashed potatoes ready or some zucchini noodles because this dinner is ready. You'll be amazed by how tender these pork chops are, and with all those herbs, this dish just screams delish. So try this recipe out for any weeknight meal or fancy dinner party and enjoy.